Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I got another review for you guys. A shoe review. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can tell from the box, it's another Jordan 1. Let's open and see which one it is. Ooh, there we are. You can already see which one it is. Here we go. Here we are. I shall close the box. There we go. So these are the Jordan 1 Satin black toes. There we go. As you can see, these ones are very nice. The Jordan 1 Satin bread toes. If we start from the bottom, as you can see, I have ready weared money ones, so they are a bit dirty. You have the red bottoms with the white midsole. Look at this, leather quality is very nice. You got the nice leather, the black toe, the leather on the swoosh. Then this is the merchandise. This is the good bit. The back is all satin, as you can see. I don't really like this metallic wing label that they stuck on here. I would like it if it was embossed. That would look better. But yes, it's okay. Then you have this nice Jordan tongue. And the inside, as you can see, is all satin, which is very nice. The lining, all satin. You have the black, nice with the leather, and the satin goes all the way around. This is a very nice Jordan 1. You know, I already like the satin black toes, the original one, not the satin ones, the normal rubber ones. I like them, so I had to get the satin ones. And this is how they look like from the front. Very nice. These were women exclusive shoes, so they are available in women sizes. I had to get the woman 11 size, which is a UK 8.5 here in the UK. I will quickly give you on hand. This is how they look like if you was to wear them on hand. There you can flex on the haters. That is a good one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. As always, if you like the video, I'm going to do some more reviews of these shoes, and you know, crepes and trainers and sneakers and Jordans and Nike and Reebok and Yeezys and all the good ones. Okay, if you like the video guys, remember to like the video. I'm going to catch you on the next one, and as always, believe.